using only 2 micros at a time, scaling in and out in a single session. This is the result. You know all those terrible videos that tell you, would you go long or would you go short? There's no strategy to it. Instead, check out the True ALGO strategy. These predictive boxes tell us until you close above it, there's no reason to go higher. Now that we've hit it, once you get a bearish confirmation, we're going to look to go lower. If you'll notice, we didn't take a position here or here, but it still was a win. And that is a win from a short. And if you ask, well, why didn't you take a short there? I'm simply trying to be objective. This is early in the morning where most traders are not active. This is when they are active. The New York candle is about to start. Watch what happens. You see how this candle is bullish? Most traders at New York Open have now gotten trapped. When New York opened, we don't have a bearish confirmation candle from the True ALGO box, so there's no reason to go short. Just like there's no reason to go long yet. And now look at that aggressive candle. Every retail trader is now trapped at the top, long in the high. You now have a bearish confirmation candle close from the True ALGO box. This is where we look to start entering into our strategy. We show our members how to scale into their ideas. So this is entrance 1. Entrance 2 is the line of the box. Entrance 3 is in the middle of the box. Entrance 4 right here is where the box stops. And then your stop loss is when price closes up here, because as soon as it does, you will simply target the next box higher. You know where your exact invalidation point is. So remember, if price comes up, that'll be another chance for us to enter into more shorts until it closes above the box. You can see there is a very aggressive move up, trapping traders. They go long again, another bearish confirmation close. We've opened more contracts within the box, and now we're getting ready to push down further. And as you can see, a monster of a win. We've now filled the gap that existed in pricing to start. We have 4 micros in this position. We're now going to close half of them. And from here, you can trail your stop loss to protect your position. We'll trail our stop right where the gap is getting filled. At this point, many fair value gap traders using smart money concepts are going to look to go long because you think that the fair value gap, it needs to be filled. But instead, our target is to get to the next box down here using True ALGO. I'll show you what I mean. That is the take profit. So that's where we're looking to get, where you're looking for this fair value gap to be filled to the halfway point, not with True ALGO. And as you can see here, those fair value gap traders would start to get roughed up. We're almost to the take profit idea. And reminder, if we hit the take profit idea and close bullish, that would be a long. If you hit the take profit idea and close bearish under the box, that would be shorts. And as you can see here, we've hit our take profit. And when we hit the box, we closed bullish. So that is a bullish long idea. And then just like before, a simple strategy to follow. That's entrance 1, where the candle closed. Entrance 2 will be the line of the box, middle of the box, the bottom of the box. And then when price closes under the box, you're now invalidated. If you've ever struggled to be able to flip-flop in a position the correct way, our system shows you how to do it live. We've now hit the start of this gap. Now, you might think this will be the fair value gap fill that's going to push you down when you hit the 50% mark. But no, this is going to be a fair value gap that's going to tend to invert because True ALGO is telling you, because we have a bullish close from our box, this is the next target. We've now filled 50% of that fair value gap. This is where fair value gap traders will tend to short. But look at the close, and now you've started to invert. And from here, you've hit the take profit box. We're going to close our position here because we've hit the box and closed bearish. And because this is a bearish close and it has hit the True ALGO box, we're going to open up a short. And the very next candle, as you clearly see, we have cleared that fair value gap. So from here, this is a take profit, or you want to secure your position. But because we've cleared that gap, that is a take profit idea. And you can see price stops that out. Not every trade is a winner, but it's important to protect your positions. And this is why you protect. Now look, as we've entered the box, you don't go long yet. The long was down here. Once you close above the box, that would be a long position up to the next box higher. If we close bearish now on the next candle below the box, that will be another short. As you can see, True ALGO has now closed above the box. This is where we open a buy position. And very simple, the next buy is here, here, and here, with your stop out being when you close below the box. And at that point, we would push down. And as you can see, right away, it moves straight to take profit. We'll close one of these positions here, allowing you to scale in and out of your positions, securing profit. Notice the candle does not close bearish, so there's no short yet to be had. And now we've hit the full part of the box, and there is a bearish candle close. So this is where we will close this position. We don't go short yet because it has to close below the box and have a bearish candle. Look how close that is, trapping traders. It has to close below the box. There's your bearish candle close. Following the rules, we open 2 more short positions. Again, these are all micros. You don't even have to trade on minis. And from there, a monster of a win. New York is getting ready to close. We've now filled this fair value gap, filled that fair value gap, and filled this gap. This is a chance to close. If you're finally trying to find something that allows you in markets to make decisions before price gets there and know instantly when you're invalidated, not waiting for someone's time frames to flip you and cause you to get in trouble, but instead simply follow price action based off of True Algo systems, we are here to help you. We do this 5 days a week to help our traders in markets. Come join the True Algo revolution where we take markets seriously. This is foresight trading. This is how it should be done. Using only 2 micros at a time, scaling in and out in a single session. This is the result using True Algo.